If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NVIDIA Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for NVIDIA, and I'm going to go over what I said last time. So last time in my previous NVIDIA video, I was bullish because I was expecting a second leg up after we bounced for the EMA, and look what we did. We bounced right from the EMA right at the 164, 163 level, which led to another leg up. Unfortunately, this leg up was not as long as the previous leg. If I go and measure that, you see this was the leg up right here. And if I drag this over, you can see that we came short of the measured move, which was right around the $200 level. So we started finding resistance at that 192 level, 190 level. And from there, we got rejected. And now we are trending back down to the lows of this range. So looks like even NVIDIA has been going sideways for quite a while now. Before I saw a downtrend with two legs down complete, but now since we had a double top at the 192 level, traders are bearish now because we cannot break that resistance zone. So we had a trend up, then we had a break of it, bounce from the EMA, got that second leg up. It wasn't a perfect measured move, but the market isn't perfect. We came right at the previous resistance at the 192 level. Prices back down again. We got bulls try to attempt one more time at the 191, 192 level, and then it got rejected. And then traders, bullish traders just gave up, and you can see the aggressive sellers just moved the market down. So it looks like they're continuing to bring the market lower. I'm looking for that bottom of this range, and it looks like the support is right around the 146 level. So from there, we could see another bounce up. We'll have to wait and see. If I zoom out on the chart, overall the pattern is still down. Nothing really bullish. Not a complete reversal rise right now. I mean, obviously we're going to have rallies in this downtrend, but I don't see a rally right now. Looks like we're going to be seeing lower prices. This looks like the potential downtrend channel in play, which is very important. This is the bigger picture that we need to focus on. It tells me where prices are likely headed. So since we bounced from the lower side of the channel, prices are trying to come to this side of the channel, but instead of doing it in a wave formation, something like this, we're going to be doing it in probably like a sideways formation. So that's why we're kind of in this range pretty much since March. We're kind of just going sideways. So if I just extrapolate this range across, so this could be the pattern that we could be seeing, some type of like sideways action until we get to this side of the channel. We'll have to wait and see. That, I mean, sometimes we could just break below the range and go back to the support side of the channel at the 110 level. So that's another possibility too. So either way, I'm still bullish. I think the market does want to go lower across all stocks. Every stock looks red and wants to drop. I'm looking at the 146 level for NVIDIA. I believe there's a high possibility to reach that. And if we break that, I think we can reach the 130s and probably even the 110s. That might be like a little too aggressive. But as right now, I think there's a high probability to at least reach that 146 level. I'll be shocked if the market just reverses right now. Is it a possibility? Well, let me take a look at it. Let me clear the drawings. Well, I do see two legs up, and this could be just a correction. But the thing is, it looks like the market does want to fill in these gaps right here, these empty spaces between the candles. And since the whole market's pulling back, I don't really think we're just going to get a bounce from here. There's really not a lot of support right where we are right now. The support's at right around the 146, 145 level, like I said before. So I'm looking for lower prices. This is where we could get a bounce up. If not, we could break it this time. The market is bearish. So we'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, there's a strong possibility to reach that 146 level in the next couple of days, maybe even this week. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for NVIDIA. I can see the price action since 2018, 2019, 2020, a lot of years of price action on this chart. So you can see there was a massive move up, and now it looks like we're coming back down to some type of support. So we did have two legs down, and now we saw the bounce up. Prices did come near that EMA, but we cannot break it On the weekly chart, you can see that we found resistance at that EMA. So this tells me that we are still in a bear market, or excuse me, a downtrend. And actually this might be a bear market. We dropped quite a bit, 60% to the bottom. So this is definitely not bullish until we get above that weekly EMA. I still got to be looking for lower price targets. So I'm looking for that 146 level. We can even break it and enter the 130s. Let me go and put a horizontal line. So the story on this chart is that prices came back to test this range breakout point, because we had a large move up from there. So that's where we got that bounce. Now since we got rejected from the EMA, seller is going to bring it down to that 146 145 level. If bulls can defend it, we're going to see a double bottom, and that would give confirmation to the bulls that sellers cannot break it down that 146 145 level. They're going to start bidding up the price, maybe even break the EMA this time. So as right now, looks like we're going to be going to that level. If we can break it, we're going to see prices probably reach the 110s or even the 120s. So now if we bounce, I think we can just go in that sideways range formation that I illustrated on the daily chart. So that's everything I have for NVIDIA. Whole market selling off. I expect the same for NVIDIA. Looking for that 146 price target. Now it just all depends if we're going to get a bounce. If we get a bounce, we can go back up to the 190 level. Now if we break it, I think we can drop down easily to the 120 or even the 110 level. So that's everything I have for NVIDIA, and we'll do an update sometime in the future. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.